folks, Eric Woldridge here with the Additive Guru channel. And today we'd like to show you some examples of what we consider quality additive manufacturing and commercialization, where folks are using the technology to bring new products to market quickly, efficiently, and very successfully. What we want to talk about is a company called MCE Digital Armory, located in Colorado, and they are doing a lot of great work in the weapons accessories technology. What you see are some products that you can buy online right now that are 3D printed. And what we're really excited about is the quality of the 3D printing applications. Now the designs, the variations, and all the products they offer can constantly change because 3D printing allows that type of flexibility. But the really exciting thing that we see is the texturing, the almost infinitesimal layer line height. It's just really impressive applications and commercialization of this equipment. So the products they sell, they have a lot of varieties for different weapons platforms, a lot of really creative features about them, the ability to conform along the waistband, even including applications of shell demonstrations for shell holders. So really exciting stuff, and as they develop new products, they can immediately implement them onto the product line. So really excited about what they're doing, and just really impressed with not only the material type that we're seeing, but also just, like I said, that level of quality. What we also see is a good integration of connectors and devices, snap fits. We see good use of typical hardware screws, Allen head screws, that kind of thing, machine screws. And we can see a lot of variety for different platforms of the weapon. So basically they can quickly customize their product line for a new type of weapon that may be introduced, a new ammo clip size, that kind of thing. And like I said, just the quality that we're seeing is really impressive. So we highly recommend checking them out. Again, MCE Digital Armory. You can find them on their on various stores online, and you can probably find them pretty quickly with a Google search. So check out what they're doing. We're really excited about what these guys are doing and the type of work and quality they're producing. I think you'll be really impressed if you're in the field, if the arms field is sort of what if you're a hunter, if you're actually like a sportsman shooting. This is definitely a place to check out and see the kind of products they're producing using additive manufacturing to its fullest benefit. All right, thanks for watching. Check out some of our other videos that we have on our channel, tutorials and other news briefs that you might find useful, and come back and see us next time.